So, okay students, once again welcome you to all of you to my class here. And here in this class we are discussing your chapter trigonometry of class 11 with the most important chapter. And in this concept I am discussing the measurement of angles, the problem based on measurement of angles of your Addis-Sama books, exercise 4.1. Okay, so let's see, we are going to start. And all of you know, in the previous class we had already discussed the relationship between the different system of measurement of angles. Okay, and you know the angles are measured with the help of three system of measurement are there. One is the degree, radian and the grade, and there is a relationship among the degree, grade and radian. Already it is discussed is that the 180 degree is equal to pi radian is equal to 200 grade. So using this relationship we can convert the one of the angle from one system of to another system. Okay, understand? Here in the question number 1 I am going to discuss of your Addis-Sama book, exercise 4.1, question number 1. And in this question I am discussing how to convert the angle in radian to degree. Here the angles are given in radian, we are going to convert into degree. Okay, very simple concept. Okay, and already you should know it. Let's see. Here the question is given, question number 1, first point is given 9 pi by 5 radian. 9 pi by 5 radian. How to convert into degree? Here we have to convert the angle into what? Degree. Here the angles is given in radian, we are going to convert into degree. Is it clear? Let's see. So using this relationship, all of you know 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Here the angles are given in radian, we are going to convert into degrees. So, and it is much clear that the pi radian is equal to 180 degree. You see now? Okay, you can use the relationship pi radian. How much? Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Is it clear? Okay, so 1 radian is equal to how much then? 1 radian is equal to 180 divided by pi. Divided by pi. Okay, now the question is given 9 pi by 5 radian. 9 pi by 5 radian is equal to, okay, 180 degree by pi into 9 pi by 5. Is it clear? So you can cancel here, you can pi can be cancelled here. Here you can cancel 5. Here 180 will be divided by 5. 5 3 is 15. Yes. Okay. 3 30, 5 6 is 30. Okay. And that is equal to, you will get here 36 into 9. Here 36 into 9. Okay. And that is equal to, okay, 9 6 is 54. Here 4 carry 5. Yes or no? 9 3 is 27 plus 5 is 32. 32. So 324 degree. Hence we got 9 pi by 5 radian is equal to 324 degree. So this is how you can convert the angle from radian to degree, one system of measurement of angle into another system of measurement of angle. Okay. Okay, question number 1, second bit, and here the question is given minus 5 pi by 6 radian. We are going to convert into degree, similar process. Okay, you know here pi radian is equal to how much degree? Yes, how much degree? 180 degree. And 1 radian is how much? 180 divided by pi. Yes or no? Yes. So you see given minus 5 pi by 6 radian. Okay, here it will be 180 divided by pi into how much? Minus 5 pi by 6. Okay, understand? Here the unit will be degree here. So you see now, here we can cancel pi when we cancel. Yes or no? We can cancel 6. 6 3 ja 18, 6 0 ja, it will be 30. Understand? So it will be get, you see now here the plus sign, here the minus sign. So multiply the sign, plus and minus, minus. Here 30 into 5, here 150 what degree? Hence minus 5 pi by 6 radian, how much? Minus 150 what degree? This is how you can convert the angle from radian to degree. Okay, understand? Okay, question number 1, third bit. Okay, and here is given, the angle is given 18 pi by 5 radian. 18 pi by 5 radian. Okay, let us convert into what degree? We are going to convert. Yes, similar process. So pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Yes, and 1 radian, how much? 180 by pi degree. Yes, and 18 pi upon 5 radian is equal to into 18 pi by 5 degree. Yes or no? Yes, yes or no? So we can cancel pi, we can cancel. Yes, can we cancel pi? Here you see pi will cancel. Here you see 5 3 ja 18, 3 30, 5 6 ja 30. So that will be 36 into 18 degree. So we will multiply 36 into 18. Understand? Yes, and multiply 1380. 8 6 is 48. 8 carry 4. Yes, 8 6 is 48. 8 carry 4. And 8 3 is 24 plus 4 28. Yes, 1 6 is 6. 1 3 is 3. So 8. 8 plus 6 14. 4 carry 1. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 2 6. So it will be 648. 648 what degree? So okay, 648 degree. Is it clear? So hence we got 18 pi by 5 radian is equal to 648 degree. 648 degree. This is how we can convert the angle from radian to degree. Okay, okay, note down all of you. Okay, next question number 1. A third bit I am going to discuss. Here is given minus 3 radian, and you have to convert the minus 3 radian into degree. Let's see. Okay, here minus 3 radian into degree. Okay, understand? So you understood, all of you know the pi radian is equal to 60 degree. Using the concept, pi radian is equal to how much? 180 degree. Yes, so 1 radian is equal to how much? 180 by pi. Yes or no? Okay, and minus 3 radian is equal to how much? 180 upon pi into minus 3, and which is equal to minus 180 into 3 into, and all of you know pi is equal to 22 by 7, and 1 by pi equal to 7 upon 22. Can you use or not? Yes, so you write, so 1 by pi is equal to 7 upon 22. Okay, is it clear? Yes, so you can cancel here 2 1 ja 2 1 ja, 2 9 ja 0, 2 0 ja. Okay, and it will be minus 3 7 ja 21, 21 into 9. You see now, 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 0. It means it is coming 1890 by 11 degree. Okay, let us divide 1890 by 11. Let us divide. So look at here, 1890 divided by 11 we are dividing. You see now, 11 1 ja 11, 8 minus 1 7, 79, 11 7 ja 77, here 2 0, again 11 ja 11 1 ja 11, and it will be 9. So it will be 100 minus 171 whole 9 upon 11 degree. Okay, here we see minus 171 whole 9 by 11 degree means minus 171 degree plus 9 by 11 degree. Can you divide this mixed fraction? So minus 171 degree plus 9 upon 11 degree. Okay, is it clear? So here you have to convert the angle into degree, radian, a degree, minute and what? Second. So because 9 by 11 degree, can you convert 9 by 11 degree into minute? And already you know 1 degree is how much? 1 degree is equal to how much? 60 minutes. Yes or no? Yes or no? So 9 by 11 degree is equal to 9 by 11 into 60. Yes or no? That is equal to 500. 9 6 is 54. So 540 by 11 what? Minute. Yes or no? Yes. So it will be minus 171 degree plus 540 divided by 11 minute. Yes or no? And this 540 by 11, we can divide here. 540 by 11. You see now, 11 5 4 is 44. Yes, 0 5 4 1 0, 11 9 is 99. Here 1, it means 49 whole, and we can write this 500 minus 171 degree, write down, plus, you see now, 540, it will be, really it will be, because minus sign will be minus sign here. Okay, understand, this will be minus sign. Is minus 171 whole 9 by 11 degree is equal to minus 171 degree minus 540 degree by 11. Okay, so 540 degree by 11, it will be 49 whole, this sign will be minus 49 whole, what? 49 whole 1 by 11 minute, is or no? 11 minute. Or I can write minus 171. Okay, is it clear? Minus 49 minute and minus 1 by 11 minute. Yes or no? Again, student, you see, this minus 1 by 11 minute we can convert again into second. And we know, what do you know here? 1 minute is equal to what? How much second? 1 minute is equal to, yes, 60 second. 60 second. So 1 by 11 minute is equal to 60 by how much? 11 second. So 60 by 11 it will be, the 60 by 11 it will be 11 5 is 55, 10 minus 5 by 5, okay, 0.0, 11 4 is 44. So this is the approximate value, 5.4. It will be 5.4 second. Okay, it will be 5.4 second. This value will be 5.4 second, or approximate value 5 second. So 1 by 11 minute is equal to 5 second. Okay, So here we can write minus 171 degree minus 49 minute minus 5 second. Is it clear? Understand? Is it clear? Is it clear? After that, what you will do? See here. The minus 171 degree minus 49 minute minus 5 second. Can you bring minus as? If you add it, it will be what? You take minus 1. Hence we got that. What we got here? You see now, minus 3 degree minus 3 radian is equal to minus 171 degree. It will be 49 minute. It will combine and 5 second. 5 second. Is clear? Okay. Yes. Yes. Your question number 148. Okay. So hence we got, what we got here? Hence what we got? Minus 3 radian is equal to minus 171 what? Degree. Then 49 minute and 5 what? Second. 5 second. This is how we can convert minus 3 radian into degree, grade, degree, minute and second. So minus 3 radian. So minus 3 radian is equal to minus 171 degree, 49 minute and 5 second. Is it clear, all of you? Understand? These are the basic concept to conversion of the one system of unit of the other system of unit. Okay, and how to convert the angle from one system of measurement of angle into another system. Okay, one system to other system. Okay, so you understood now. Minus 3 radian is equal to minus 171 degree, 49 minute and 5 second. Is it clear? Okay. Okay, question number 1, 5th bit. Here is given 11 radian, and 11 radian is equal to how much degree we are going to convert. Okay, understand? Here we are converting the angle from radian to degree. Okay, in this question here it is given 11 radian. How much? Yes, 11 radian. How much? Degree. We are going to convert radian into degree. Okay. Yes, convert the angle into degree from radian. Okay. So similar process, pi radian. Angle is given radian. Pi radian is equal to how much? 180 degree. And 1 radian, 180 divided by how much? Pi degree. Yes. So again you see 11 radian, 180 divided by yes 180 divided by pi into 11 degree. Yes. So 180 into 11, here 1 by pi how much? 7 upon 22. 7 upon 22. Okay, and let us cancel here. $180. Okay, so here you cancel 11 to ja 22. Can you cancel? Here you cancel 2 9 ja 18, 2 0 ja. Oh, here 9 and into 7. How much? 9 7 ja how much? 9 7 ja 63, 630 degree. Hence 11 radian is equal to 630 degree. Understand? Okay. Let's see. This is another simple numerical expression. Here we converted the angle from radian to degree. So 11 radian So 11 radian is equal to how much? 630 degree. Okay. So question number 1, last bit, 6th bit we are going to explain here, and here the question is given 1 radian. Yes, 1 radian, how much degree we are going to convert. Okay, let's see. In a similar process, and all of you know the pi radian, how much? How much? 180 degree. 1 radian, 180 by how much? Pi. Yes or no? And here 1 radian, 180 by pi. 180 by pi. And here you see 180 into 1 by pi into 1 by pi, and here 180 into 1 by pi means what? 722. Okay, yes, 722. So here you can cancel 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 2 9 ja 2 0 ja. Here you see 9 7 ja how much? 9 7 ja 63. Here 1 0, 630 by 11 degree. Yes, yes. So 630, you see now 630 degree, 630 divided by 11. You see now 11 5 ja 55. So 13 minus 5 is 8, 0. Again 11 7 ja 77. 10 minus 7 is 3. Okay. Here we get what? 57. Yes. 57 whole 3 by 11 what? Degree. Or I can write 57 degree plus 3 by 11 degree. Understand? 3 by 11 degree, is it correct? Okay. You see now 11 5 is 55. 13 minus 5 is 8. Here 0. 11 7 is 77. So 10 minus 7 is 3. So 57 degree whole 3 by 11 degree. Now again you know the 1 degree is equal to how much? 60 minutes. And 1 minute is equal to how much? 60 seconds. Here I will convert the angle into, because the degree is in the form of fraction 3 by 11, again we can convert this degree into what? Minute and second. Now see 3 by 11 degree. Now 1 degree is equal to how much? 60 minutes. So 3 by 11 degree, how much? 3 by 11 into 60 is equal to 6 3 is 180 by 11 what? Minute. Okay. So if we will divide 180 by 11, divide 180 by 11, 11 1 is 11, yes or no? 7 0, 11 6 is 66, 10 minus 6 is 4. Okay. So it is coming what? 16 whole. This value will be 16 whole 4 upon 11 minute. 11 minute. So here you see the whole part is 16. So we can write here as that is equal to 57 degree plus 3 by 11 degree is equal to 16 whole 4 by 11 minute. Yes, that implies 57 degree plus here the whole part is 16. So it will can write 16 minute plus 4 upon 11 minute. 4 upon 11 minute. Now see the 4 upon 11 minute, again you have to convert into second. And as per the relationship, we know 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute is equal to how much? 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Yes or no? So 4 by 11 minute, 16 how much? 4 by 11, 6 4 is 24, 240 by 11 how much? Second. Yes or no? So 4 by 11 minute is equal to 240, yes, by 11 second. Okay. And this 240 divided by 11, again 11 2 is 22, here 2 0, again 11 1 is 11. Okay. 10 minus 1 is 9. You can take 0. So 90, 11 8 is 88. So you can write here 21 point. This value is 21 point. Look at here. 21.8 second can be approximately equal to 22 second. 22 second. Okay, because the value is in decimal part is 8, which is more than 5. So we can add 1 to the previous digit in the integral part. Okay, 1 plus 1 2. So 21.8 second is the approximate value. How much? 22 second. Okay, understand? So we can write here okay, so 57 degree yes plus 16 minute plus 4 by 11 minute is equal to 22 what second. Thus finally we got yes. So 1 radian, remember 1 radian is equal to 57 what degree, 16 minute and 22 second. This is the value of 1 radian in terms of the degree, minute and second. Okay, is it clear? Understand? Okay, let us write and practice it. So here is the problem. We already studied how to convert the angle from radian to degree. I hope all of you understood. Okay, because these are the widely application while you are studying the different kind of trigonometric problems. Okay, while you are converting angles from radian to degree and vice versa. Okay, so this will be useful for you. Okay, I hope, and you will follow it and you will practice it. With this, thank you. Okay students, all of you know we are discussing the class 11 mathematics trigonometry, okay, measurement of angles, all of you know, and we are discussing the relationship between the three system of measurement of angles. Already in the previous class is discussed. Okay, there are three system of measurement of angles, and one is already known sexagesimal system, English system, centesimal system, French system, circular system. Okay, and in the sexagesimal system, one right angle is equal to 90 degree. One right angle is equal to 90 degree, 1 degree is equal to 60 minute, and 1 minute is equal to 60 second. In centesimal system, otherwise known as French system, in this system, one right angle is equal to 100 grade, 1 grade is equal to 100 minute. This is the what? Backward slash. Okay, and here 1 minute is equal to 100 second. Here see, the minute is denoted by the symbol forward slash. Here in case it is backward slash. Okay, here in the case of second, 1 minute is equal to 60 second. This is what? Double forward slash, and here double backward slash indicated by the symbol. Another system is known as circular system. In this system, 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Okay, and there is a relationship between the three system of measurement of angles. Three system of measurement of angles between the degree, radian and grades, and it is that 180 degree is equal to pi radian is equal to 200 grades. Okay, and this relationship you would remember while we are converting the angle from one system to other system. And this last number 0.4 you must remember that 180 degree is equal to pi radian is equal to 200 grade. In this system we are going to discuss an exercise 4.1 of your Addis Sharma book. Question number 2 I am discussing. In the previous class we already discussed question number 1. Okay, let's see. And in the question number 2 it is given that the angle is given in degree, and we are going to convert into radian. Here the conversion of angle from one system to other system. Okay, here the angle is given in what? Degree, and we are going to convert into radian. So convert the angle into radians. Okay, so question number 2, first bit, let me see. First point, the first point it is given that it is given 300 degree. Okay, so it is given 300 degree. Yes, 300 degree given, 300 degree, and 300 degree we have to convert into what? Radian. Convert into radian. How much radian? Convert into radian. Understood or not? And you see this point, last point is most important. Okay, here we are going to, angle is given in degree, we are going to convert into radian. You see now. and you see the relationship 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Okay, so using this, so let's write 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Okay, so 1 degree, you know how much? How much? Pi upon 180 degree radian, yes or no? And 300 degree, very simple. So pi upon 180 into 300 radian, yes or no? Yes. So let's you cancel it, simplify it, and you see now, and here 0 0 is cancel. You can cancel 6 3 is 18, 6 5 is 30. After cancellation, it will be 5 pi is equal to 5 pi by 3 radian. Yes or no? Hence, we got 300 degree is equal to 5 pi by 3 radian. Very simple. This is the conversion of the angle from the degree to radian. Okay, the angle in degree given. Here we converted into radians using the relationship 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Okay, the last 4 point. Okay, note it. Understand? Okay, question number 2. Let me see here for you. Similarly, you can convert the angle here, we are converting the angle from degree to radian. Here the question number 2, the second bit is given that the 35 degree, angle is given 35 degree, we are converting into radian. 35 degrees, how much radian? Okay, understand? So let's see now, and according to the relationship, 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Note down this one, 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Yes. That implies 1 degree. How much radian? Yes, pi upon 180 degree. 8 radian. That implies 35 degree. How much radian? Yes, pi upon 180 into what? 35 radian. Understand? Yes, yes. So if you cancel this one, simplify. Can you cancel? 35, you see now 5 7 is 35, and here 5 3 is 15, 3 30, 5 6 is 30. Yes or no? And after cancellation, here is 7, here is pi, and that is equal to what? That is equal to 7 pi by 36 radian. Hence 35 degree is equal to 7 pi by 36 radian. 7 pi by 36 radian. Okay, 7 pi by 36 radian. It clear? Understand? Very simple question. Okay, and this basic concept is most useful. And while you are studying the relationship between the trigonometric angles, while you are converting radian from degree to pi, degree to radian. Okay. Next question number 2, third bit. Okay, and question number 2, third bit is that minus 56 degree, minus 56 degree. Okay, we are converting into radian. Minus 56 degree is equal to how much radian? Okay, and similarly, using the concept 180 degree is equal to pi radian. 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Yes, and 1 degree is equal to how much? 1 degree is equal to how much? Pi upon 180 radian. Yes or no? So minus 56 degree. Okay. So pi upon 180 into minus 56 radian. Okay. Then you can cancel here. You can cancel 56. Okay, can you cancel 4? 4 1 is 4, 1, 16, 4 4 is 16. Here 4 4 is 16. Okay, so 18 minus 16 is 2, 20. 4 5 is 20. Understand? Okay, hence we got minus 56 degree is equal to minus, here is 14, here is pi. So 14 multiplied pi is 14 pi divided by 45 what? Radian. Okay, so minus 56 degree is equal to minus 14 pi divided by 45 radian. Okay, note down here, write down and also practice. Okay, question number 2, fourth bit. Question number 2, fourth bit we are discussing, and here the angle is given 135 degree. 135 degree is equal to how much radian? Okay, let's see. As per the relations, 180 degree, use the relations. 180 degree is equal to pi radian. So 1, yes or no? So 1 degree is equal to how much? Yes, pi upon 180 radian. Then 135 degree, pi upon 180 into 135 radian. Okay, so we can cancel here. Yes, can you cancel by 5? You see, 5 2 is 10, 13, 5 2 is 10, it will be 5 7 is 35. Yes, again you see 5 3 is 15, 3 30, 5 6 is 30. Again you can cancel. 9 3 is 27, 9 4 is 36. 9 4 is 36. 9 4 is 36. Okay, so hence we got, after cancellation, 135 degree is equal to 3 here pi, 3 upon pi, 3 pi. This is 3 pi upon 4. 3 pi upon 4 what? Radian. Understand or not? So 135 degree is equal to 3 pi by 4 radian. Okay, note down. Okay, understand? This is question number 2, fourth bit, and we converted 35 degree is equal to 3 pi upon 4 radian. Okay. Okay, next questions we are going to discuss, and this is the question number 2, fifth bit, and it is given minus 300 degree, and this is given minus 300 degree, and we have to convert it into radian. How much radian? Minus 300 degree. I think it is easy for you and you can do it. Yes or no? It's very simple. I hope you are taking interest and you are understanding the concept also, how to convert the angle from one system to another system. Okay, so using the concept, let's see. 180 degree, yes, is equal to how much radian? Pi radian, yes. So 1 degree is equal to how much? Pi upon 180 radian, yes or no? So and minus 300 degree is equal to pi upon 180 degree into minus 300. Yes or no? Radian, yes. Yes. Okay. Understand? So you cancel this one. Cancel, yes. We can cancel here 0, here 0 we can cancel. Here we can cancel, yes. 6 we can cancel. 6 3 is 18 and 6 5 is 30. Yes or no? Yes. So after cancellation it will be, hence we get minus 300 degree is equal to minus, here what is the remaining factors? 5, here is pi. So it will be 5 pi by upon here what? 3. 5 upon 3 radian. Understand? So what is minus 300 degree? So minus 300 degree is equal to minus 5 pi upon 3 radian. Okay, understand? Okay, note down. Thank you. So in question number 2, the sixth bit, it is given, the angle is given in degree and minute, 7 degree 30 minute. Let's see. The angle is given 7 degree 30 minute, and here we have to convert this angle 7 degree 30 minute into what? Radian. Okay, understand? First of all, you see this 7 degree 30 minute. First of all, you convert minute into radian first. First you convert this 30 degree 30 minute into radian. First you have to convert minute to degree, then okay, suppose given 7 degree 30 minute. What will do here? 7 degree plus 30 minute. Can you write or not? Again 7 degree, and this 30 minute we can convert into what? Degree. And you see, as per the sexagesimal system, and 1 degree is equal to how much? 60 minute. It means 60 minute is equal to 1 degree, and here 30 minute is equal to how much? 30 upon what? 60 degree or not? Yes or no? Okay, it means 7 degree plus 30 divided by 2, 1 by 2, 32 is 60. Can we cancel? 1 degree, and that is equal to 7 whole 1 by 2 degree. 7 degree plus 1 by 2 degree means 7 whole 1 by 2 degree, and 7 whole 1 by 2 degree is a mixed fraction. Convert in improper. 7 to the 14 plus 1 what? 15. 15 upon 2 degree. Yes or no? So here the convert, if the angle is degree and minute, first of all you have to convert the minute into degree, then finally you got 7 degree 30 minute is equal to 15 upon 2 degree. Okay, then as per the relationship, you see, and 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Okay, and 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Yes, and 1 degree is equal to what? Pi upon 180 radian. Understand? And 15 upon 2 degree is equal to pi upon 180 into 15 upon 2 radian. Okay, you can cancel here. We can cancel 15 1 the 15. Directly we can cancel 15 1 the 15. 3 15 2 the what? 30. 15 1 the 15. 3 18 minus 15 3 3 0 here 30. Okay, so it will be 12. So here 12, here 2. 12 to the 24. So here will be pi. This is called what? Pi upon 24. What? Radian. Yes or no? Yes. So hence we got what we got here? 7 degree 30 minute is equal to pi upon 24 what? Radian. Is it clear? Is it clear? 7 degree 30 minute. 30 minute. Understand? So this is how, if the angle is given in degree and minute, first you convert the minute into degree, after that you convert into radian. Okay, understand? Okay, question number here question number 2, 7th bit of exercise 4.1, and the question is that 125 degree 30 minute, 125 minute 30 minute, and here you have to convert into radian. Okay, so as per the, here the angle is given 125 degree, here the angle is given in minute. So 30 minute, first you 30 minute you have to convert into what? Degree. First 30 minute you have to convert in degree. Okay, let's see. 125 degree 30 minute. Can we turn 125 degree plus 30 minute means what? 30 upon 60 degree. Can you write or not? Yes? Yes or no? Because already you know 1 degree is equal to 60 minute, or 60 minute is equal to how much? 1 degree. So 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60, and 30 degree is equal to what? 30 minute is equal to what? 30 upon 60 degree, right? And 30 upon 60 means what? 30 divided by 60 is 2, 1 by 2. So 125 whole 1 by 2 degree. Yes or no? And that is equal to 125 2 into 2 multiplied what? 125 into 2 how much? 250. 250 or not? Yes. 250 plus 1. 200 what? 51 upon 2 degree. upon 2 degree. 251 upon 2 degree. Right? Yes. And here 125 degree 30 minute is equal to 251 upon 2 degree. And again you see 180 degree is equal to pi radian. So 1 degree, you see again 180 degree is equal to pi radian, and 1 degree will pi upon 180 radian. Yes, and 251 by 2 degree will pi upon 180 into 251 by 2 radian. So okay, so we will cancel this one. Yes, so I think we cannot cancel 251 by 5 plus 2 7, it is not divided by 2, so 2 plus 5 7 plus 1 8, it is also not divided by 3. So answer will like that, 251 into pi, which is 200 what? 51 pi. Yes, by, and 180 multiplied to what? 180 multiplied to 18 to the 30, so 300 radian. Hence we got 251 degree by 2, 251 upon 2 degree is equal to 251 pi upon 300 radian. Yes, it means 100, we got 125 degree and 30 minute is equal to 251 pi divided by 300 what? Radian. Is it clear? Okay, understand? Okay, note down. Okay, noted. Here is the last bit of question number 2, which is the 8th bit, and here we are converting the angle from what? Degree to radian. Okay, and here in this question the angle is given minus 47 degree 30 minute, minus 47 degree 30 minute, and we are going to convert into what? Radian. Okay, and here you see, first of all you convert minute into degree. So let's see now, minus 47 degree 30 minute, similar process, minus 47 whole 30 by 60 degree, can you do right directly or not? Yes. Or minus 47 1 upon 2 degree. Yes, understand? So that is equal to minus 47 to the what? 2 7 ja 8, 2 7 ja 14, 2 7 ja 14, carry 1, 2 4 ja 8 plus 1 9. So it is minus 94 plus 1. Here 47 multiplied 2, 2 7 ja 14, 4 carry 1, 2 4 ja 8 plus 1 9, 94 plus 1 95, 95 upon 2 what? Degree. Okay, understand? Is it correct? Okay, check your multiplication. 47 multiplied 2, 2 4 ja, it is what? 94 plus 1 95 by 2 degree. Okay, now this 95 by 2 degree, now you see minus 47 degree 30 minute is equal to how much? Minus 95 by, which is equal to 95 by minus 95 by 2 degree. And here, and very simple, we know 180 degrees will pi radian, and 1 degree is equal to how much? Pi upon 180 radian. So if simple, directly you can convert into, if the angle is given. Okay, so 1 degree is equal to pi upon 180 radian. So similarly minus 95 by 2 degree, directly you can do minus 95 by 2 into how much? Pi upon 180 radian. Okay, and you cancel, we can cancel 95, here 100 we can cancel by 5, so 5 1 ja 5, 4 45, 5 9 ja 45, here 5 3 ja 15, 18 minus 15 3, 30, 5 6 ja 30. Understand? So here it will be minus, here it is minus 59 pi. So it will be, hence we shall get minus 47 degree 30 minute. Yes. And which is equal to how much? Yes. We can cancel into so it is 59. Yes, it is 59. 95. Oh, it is mistaken. Sorry, it is mistaken. You are cancelling 5, na? So here what? 5 1 is 5. 5 1 is 5. 4 45 5 na 19 here. It will be 19. We will cancel by 95 by 5. 5 1 is 5 4 45 5 9 is 45. Okay. 19 5 is 95. Yes or no? So it will be minus 95 minus 19 pi, here minus 19 into pi, minus 19 pi 36 into 2 is 72. Okay, what? Radian. So minus 19 pi by 72 radian. So here was mistaken in the calculation. Just to rectify your calculation, here 95 was divided by 5, it will be 19, not 59. Okay. So check your calculation if it is mistake. Okay. So this is the concept of question number 2. We discussed how the angle we can convert from degree to radian. I hope and you are looking forward to the question and you will practice it. Okay. Thank you, all of you. Okay, students, here I am discussing exercise 4.1 of your Addi Sharma class 11 math, question number 3. In the previous class, already we discussed question number 2. Okay, I am discussing here question number 3, another interesting question for you. Here, the question is that the difference between the two acute angles of a right angle triangle is 2 pi upon 5 radians. 2 pi upon 5 radians. Okay, express the angles in degree. Express the angles in degree. So here is given a right angle triangle. In the right angle triangle, just do a small diagram for that right angle triangle. Okay. Just do a right angle triangle. A, B, C. Here B angle is what? 9 degree. Okay. Here given the difference between the two acute angles of a right angle triangle is 2 pi by 5 radian. Acute angle means here in this triangle suppose B angle is 90 degree. It is already given degree. And other two angles what? Angle A and angle C are what? Acute angles. We have to find the measure of the acute angles A and C in terms of degree. But it is given that the difference between the angle, two acute angles is 2 pi upon 5 radian is given. Okay, let the two acute angles be alpha and beta. Let us find the solution. Write down solution here. Let the angle A be alpha. Let the angle A be alpha. Let the acute angle A be alpha. Yes. Angle C, another acute angle be what? Beta. Yes or no? Symbolic representation. Let the acute angle A be alpha degree and angle C be beta. Okay, here alpha and beta, and it is given that the difference between the angle A minus angle C is it given in radian, which is 2 pi upon 5 radian. Yes or no? 2 pi upon 5 radian. That implies it is given alpha minus beta is equal to what? 2 pi upon 5 radian. Point number 1. First point it is given. The difference between the two acute angle alpha minus beta. What is alpha minus beta? Yes, 2 pi by 5 radian. And all of you know in the right angle triangle one of the angle is a right angle, yes or no? And the sum of the other two acute angles, the sum of the acute angles of the right angle triangle, how much? 90 degree or pi by 2. Okay, and all of you know the sum of the two acute angle means alpha plus beta. 90 degree means what? Pi upon 2. The second point all of you know this, because the sum of the two acute angles of the right angle triangle is 90 degree or pi upon 2. Okay, so here we get alpha minus beta is 2 pi upon 5 radian. Here alpha plus beta is pi by 2 radian. So can you solve? By solving this we can get alpha and beta. Can you solve? Yes. Now here see alpha minus beta is equal to 2 pi by 5. You see here alpha minus beta given 2 pi upon 5. Look at here. And alpha plus beta given how much? Pi upon 2 given or not? So here the equation 1 and equation 2 add. On adding equation, okay, you add equation 1 and 2. If you add this equation 1 and 2, you see plus minus beta plus beta will be cancelled. Look at here. Minus beta plus beta will be cancelled. So we can cancel minus beta plus beta will be cancelled. So here alpha plus alpha, how much? 2 alpha. Yes or no? Alpha plus alpha is 2 alpha, and here it what? 2 pi upon 5 plus pi upon 2. Yes or no? You have to add 2 pi upon 5 plus pi upon 2. Is it clear? So 2 alpha is equal to, you take the LCM. What is the LCM of 5 and 2? 5 to 10. Okay, the LCM will be 5 to 10. The 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 to 4 pi. Yes. Similarly, divide 10 by 2, which is 5. Okay, and 5 into pi, 5 pi. Yes or no? Yes or no? So 2 alpha, here getting 2 alpha is equal to 4 pi plus 5 pi is equal to 9 pi upon 10. So what is alpha? Here you get alpha is equal to, yes, 9 pi. This 10, 2 will be transposed to the right hand side. It will be goes to the denominator. 10 to the how much? 20. So alpha is equal to what? So here alpha is equal to 9 pi upon 20. Yes. Understand? So you get alpha is equal to 9 pi upon 20 radian. Is it clear? Yes. Okay. And alpha means which angle? A angle. Already we got one of the angle, A angle. Yes or no? Okay. 9 pi by 20 radian. Similarly, find out other angle beta. Yes. Okay. You can use the value also. Alpha plus beta is pi by 2. Here alpha you got 9 pi by 20. So beta, what is the value of beta? You see here. Alpha plus beta. You look at here. Alpha plus beta. What? Pi upon 2. And here alpha value what? 9 pi upon 20 plus beta is equal to pi upon 2. Yes or no? And beta is equal to how much? Tell me. Pi by 2. This plus 9 pi by 20 will be transposed to the right hand side. It will be minus. It will be minus 9 pi by 20. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? So, okay. Now what is the LCM? 20 and 2 LCM is 20. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. 10 pi. Minus 20 divided by 20 what? 1. 1 multiplied 9. 9 pi. So beta will be what? Beta will be 10 pi minus 9 pi. How much? Pi. It will be pi upon 20. Okay. So we got beta. Beta means which angle? Angle C. So angle C, beta is equal to pi upon 20. Is it clear? Pi upon 20 radian. So we got two acute angles in the radian, but you have to convert the angles into what? Degree. So we have to convert the angles into degree. Yes. Yes or no? Yes. So is it clear, these 2 points? Yes. And we know You have to convert the angle into what? Degree. Okay. And what is giving the concept what? Pi radian is equal to how much? 180 degree. And 1 radian is equal to what? 180 by pi. Understand or not? So here you gain alpha is equal to 9 pi by 20. 9 pi by 20 can be written 9 pi by 20 into what? 180 by pi. You see 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degree. And here 9 pi by 20 is equal to 9 pi by 20 into 180 by pi. Yes. Understand? So you can cancel here pi you can cancel. Here you can cancel 2 0 cancel and 2 9 ja. Understand? Yes. And it will be what? Yes, say here 9 9 9 ja what? 81 degree. So alpha is equal to 81 degree, which is angle A. Similarly, another angle C is equal to beta is equal to pi upon 20 radian. And pi upon 20 radian can written what? Pi upon 20 into what? While you are converting radian into degree, multiply what? 180 by pi. So 180 upon pi. Understand? Similarly, you can cancel here 18 to 20. It will be what? It will be what? 2 9 ja 9. And here pi cancel. Yes or no? It will be how much degree? Tell. It will be how much? It will be 9 degree. 9 degree. Hence other acute angle we got 9 degree. Understand? Okay. Is it clear? So we got here what we got? Okay, these 2 points you understood. So we got here hence finally got two acute angles, other two acute angles. So acute angles. So the acute angle, the measure of the acute angles. So acute angles of the right triangle right angle triangle are, one angle is what? 81 degree and other one what? 9 degree. Okay, this is another interesting problem based on the concept of application of the units of measurement of angles. See here, how can you use the units of measurement of angles while finding what? While converting one units to other units. Okay. So this is one of the concept of the application of the measurement of angles using the concept of units of measurement. Okay, from radian to degree and degree to radian. Okay, understand? Okay, note down, I hope, and you will find the similar kind of problem. Okay, and to solve it. Okay, thank you. So, dear students, here I am discussing question number 4 of exercise 4.1 trigonometry, class 11, your mathematics. Okay, and we are discussing the problem based on the measurement of the angles. Okay, and how you can use the system of measurement of angles. Okay, grade, radians, and degree. Okay, in finding the different type of angles and conversion of the angles from one unit to other unit. So here is another interesting question is that in front of you, and it is one of the application of the units of measurement of angles here. Here in a triangle, 3 angles are given, and 3 angles are given in different system. One angle is given in grade, other angle is given in degree, and third angle is given in radian. We have to express all the angles in degree. Okay, let us read the question here. Here question number 4 is that one angle of a triangle is 2 by 3x grade. Okay, suppose an angle A is equal to 2 upon 3x grade. Understand or not? G stands for grade. And second angle, suppose B angle given 3 by 2x degree. 3 by 2x what? Degree. Understand or not? Degree given. This is given in angle A is given in, suppose angle A is given one of the angle in grade, other angle B angle suppose in degree, and third angle let's see C angle is equal to pi x upon 75 what? 75 what? Radian. C stands for radian. Okay, and you have to express the angle of the triangles in terms of degree. Using the relationship, using this relationship, which you already know, which is already discussed. Okay, and we know the relationship among the degree, grade, degree, radian and grade. This is degree, this is radian and this is grade. What is the relationship among them? 180 degree is equal to pi radian is equal to 200 grade. Understand or not? Okay, so here we are converting. Okay, we have to express all the angles of triangle in what? Degree. And here you see the angle A is given 2 upon 3x grade. Okay, and angle A you have to express in what? In degree. Yes or no? Let us express all the angles in degree as per the requirement. What to find out? We have to express the angles of the triangle in degree. Here the angle A, which is 2 upon 3x grade, it is given in grade. So let us convert this angle from grade to degree according to this relationship. All of you know that 200 grade is equal to 180 degree. So 200 grade is equal to 180 degree. So 1 grade is equal to 180 by 200, which is 9 by 10 degree. Okay, so whenever you are converting the angle from grade to degree, multiply 9 by 10. Multiply 9 by 10. So simply, so 2 by 3x, now see 2 by 3x into grade, which is equal to 9 upon 10 what? Degree. Is it clear? See, the angle is given in grade, you have to express in degree, just multiply what? 9 upon 10. Okay, so after multiplying you see, here the angle will what? You cancel here 3 3 ja 9, 2 5 ja 10, and it is what? It will be, the angle will be what? 3x. The angle will be 3x. 3x by 5 degree. 3x by 5 degree. Understand? Okay. Is it clear? So 3 3 is 9. Here 2 5 is 10. 3x. 3 multiplied x is 3x upon 5 degree. And second angle B, which is already 3 by 2 is x degree, is already given in degree. No need to change. Don't change it. It's already, the angle is already in degree. Yes, because all the angle we have to express in degree. Since the angle is already in degree, no need to change. Now let's see angle C, which is pi x by 75 what? Radian. So this angle radian, it is in the angle in radian. We have to convert into degree using the relationship pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So pi radian is 180 degree. 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degree. It means whenever you are converting the angle from radian to degree, you have to multiply what? 180 by pi. So you see now, so pi x by 75 radian can be written what? Pi x by 75 into what? 180 by pi what? Degree. Yes or no? Here the angle in grade, angle in what? Radian. C stands for radian. See in the symbolic representation of radian of angle. So we are converting into degree by multiplying what? 180 upon pi. Yes. Yes or no? Okay. So after you see now, here you see pi will be cancelled here. Yes or no? And you cancel here also what? Can you cancel 15? 15 5 is 75. Here 15 1 is 15. 3 30. 15 2 is 30. So it is what? 12x. Here 12, here x. 12x by how much? 5 degree. Okay. Understand? Here we get angle A. So we get angle A is equal to 3x upon what? 5 degree. Angle B, we got, what we got? 3 by 2x degree, already it is already in degree, and angle C, we got 12x by what? 5 degree. Understand? So here three angles are expressed in degree. Okay, is it clear? Okay. Okay, now as per the angle sum property of triangle, so since all the angles are expressed in degree in the same unit of the measurement of angles, we express all the angles in the same unit. Now you can use the angle sum property of triangle. What the angle sum property of triangle? Yes, sum of the triangle is 180 degree. Is or no? Now see, the angle A is 3x upon what? 3x upon 5 degree. Angle B is 3x by 2 degree, and here angle C is 12x by what? 5 is equal to 180. Okay, now let us take the LCM now. What is the LCM of 5, 2 and 5? What is the LCM of 5, 2 and 5? Yes. Yes. What is the LCM? Which is 10 or not? The LCM of 5 is 10. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 3 ja 6x. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 3 ja 15x. And 10 divided by 5 is 2. 12 to the what? 24x is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree. Understand? So that implies 6x plus 15x plus 24x. Is it clear? See, once again check. 10 upon 5 is 2. 2 3 is 6x. 10 upon 2 is 5. 5 3 is 15x. 10 upon 5 is 2. 12 2 is 24x. So you see now, multiply here. Yes, 6x plus 15x plus 24x. You see, 6 plus 5. 11. 11 plus 4. How much? Yes. You see, 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 6 15. Carry 1, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 45. X by 10 is equal to 180. Yes or no? Degree. Yes. Okay. Then you find the value of x. Yes. So you can directly find x is equal to 180 into 10 upon 45, and here 10 upon 45 means what? 45 4 ja 180. Yes or no? So x equal how much? X is equal to 4 into 10 40. We got x is equal to 40. X is equal to 40. Yes, we got x is equal to what? 40. Yes. So now we can easily find out three angles. Angle A. What is angle A? 3x upon 5, which is 3 into 40 upon 5. 5 is 40. 8 3 is 24. Hence A angle is equal to how much? 24 degree. A angle is equal to 24 degree. Okay. A angle is equal to 24 degree. Yes. Then angle B. Angle B is equal to how much? 3 by 2x. Okay, and that is equal to 3 into x value 40. 40 by 2. We cancel here. So B angle will be what? 23 is 60 degree. 60 degree. Okay. Understand? And C angle. Here C angle is, what is C angle given? Let's find out C angle here. Let's find out C angle. And here C angle, you see the C angle given 12x upon 5. 12 into, here x value 40 by 5. Here 5 is what? 40. And 12 is what? 96. 96 degree, and C angle it will be 96 degree. Understand? Okay. Hence we got the required angle. Here all the angles are expressed in degree. Yes. Hence we got A angle, and three angles of triangle are what? 40 degree, 60 degree and 96 degree. And three angles are 40 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay. Understand? Yes. So you write the conclusion, final conclusion. We got the three angles. Okay. Here you can write here. Three angles, right? Hence. Yes. And three angles are how much? One is 24 degree, another is what? 60 degree, and third angle is what? 96 degree. This is one of the very interesting problem, application of the units of measurement angles, how you can convert the angles from radian to degree, okay, and grade to degree. Understand? And this is the interrelationship between the relationship of the three system of measurement angles, degree, grade and radian. Remember this concept and the relationship among the degree, radian and grades. 180 degree is equal to pi radian is equal to 200 grades, and this relationship is always useful during the conversion of the one system of the angles into other system. Okay, is it clear, all of you? Okay, so note down this one. See, very clear. Thank you.